What if I told you that a small town boy from India, born with no silver spoon, no financial backup, and no big city connections, would go on to become one of the most successful entrepreneurs and motivational speakers in the country, amassing millions of subscribers, dominating the personal finance and business education space, and creating an empire based entirely on one powerful belief: self-transformation is possible. This is the untold rags to riches story of Pushkar Raj Thakur, a man who proved that the size of your dreams will always be more important than the size of your bank account. In this video, we are going deep into the life of Pushkar Raj Thakur, revealing how he started, what made him explode in popularity, the psychology behind his influence, and most importantly, what you can learn to apply in your own life starting today. So sit back, stay locked in, and by the end of this video, you will not only be inspired, but equipped to take action, unlock your full potential, and begin designing your own story of transformation. Pushkar Raj Thakur was not born into wealth. He was born into a middle-class family in Delhi, where financial constraints were a daily reality. From a young age, he felt the pressure of not having enough, not being enough, and not knowing if the life he dreamed of would ever come true. But there was one thing about Pushkar that set him apart. He refused to accept limitations. While most kids were busy following the script society handed them, Pushkar was writing his own. He started reading self-help books, attending seminars, and learning everything he could about success, psychology, and wealth creation. He was obsessed with learning, and that obsession would become his superpower. He consumed knowledge at a rate that most adults could not match. Books on money, motivation, influence, leadership, anything that could bring him closer to understanding success. At the age of 17, Pushkar began his journey as a motivational speaker. That is right, 17. While most teenagers were trying to survive school, Pushkar was standing in front of audiences, sharing the mindset strategies he had studied so intensely. His early speeches were raw, passionate, and unpolished, but people felt the fire. He was not speaking from theory. He was speaking from struggle, and that authenticity became his trademark. His speeches touched on self-belief, vision, and the discipline it takes to turn pain into progress. As he grew more confident, his voice became sharper, his stories more refined, and his influence wider. But here is where the story takes a fascinating twist. Pushkar did not stop with speaking. He ventured into network marketing, financial consulting, and business coaching. He experimented. He failed. He learned. He pivoted. And each time he fell, he came back stronger. He learned the power of multiple income streams. He saw firsthand that building wealth required more than motivation. It required a system, a mindset, a network, and unshakable belief. With each new challenge, Pushkar uncovered more about how to generate value in the marketplace, and that journey shaped the principles he now teaches millions of people worldwide. What truly caused Pushkar Raj Thakur to take off was his entry into YouTube. He understood something that most creators never figure out. The platform rewards value, consistency, and emotional engagement. Pushkar began uploading videos not just about motivation, but about money. Real, practical, actionable strategies for earning, saving, investing, and scaling income. He made complex financial concepts simple. He made self-development exciting. And most of all, he made his viewers believe in themselves. That is the key. People do not just watch Pushkar for information. They watch him for transformation. He became a beacon for those drowning in confusion. His videos were like light in a dark tunnel. Psychologically, Pushkar uses powerful tools to keep viewers engaged. He speaks with intense eye contact, commanding authority. He uses repetition to reinforce ideas. He tells relatable stories, making abstract ideas emotionally real. He delivers quick wins, providing immediate value within the first few minutes of every video. He asks rhetorical questions to activate your brain. He includes countdowns, step-by-step formulas, emotional hooks, and visual storytelling. All of this is done with one purpose: to rewire your thinking, to interrupt your old patterns, to replace doubt with belief. His videos are more than content. They are mental blueprints for success. Each one a guide, each one a shift. But his empire goes beyond content. Pushkar Raj Thakur has built multiple income streams. He runs training programs like Bang On in Network Marketing, Advanced Personality Development, and The Last Course for Your Best Life, serving thousands of students across the world. He has monetized his brand through digital products, coaching, affiliate marketing, and live events. He has created ecosystems, entire frameworks, where people can plug in and start building their futures. He is not just a content creator. He is a content CEO. His backend is as sophisticated as his public presence. He has hired experts, built teams, automated systems. The business side of Pushkar is just as disciplined as the brand side. He teaches his audience how to sell, how to speak, how to invest, and most importantly, how to think. His content bridges the gap between motivation and monetization. He shows that it is not enough to dream. You must also have a strategy. That discipline is not punishment. It is freedom. That time is not just money. It is life. He speaks to your potential, not your problems. That is what makes him different. That is what makes him powerful. So what can you learn from Pushkar Raj Thakur? First, start before you are ready. Pushkar did not wait until he was an expert. He started with what he had and refined along the way. Second, become obsessed with learning. Your knowledge becomes your leverage. Third, build multiple skills. Pushkar mastered public speaking, sales, finance, and content creation. Fourth, give massive value. The market pays you in proportion to the problems you solve. Fifth, build a mission. Pushkar is not just selling products. He is selling hope, empowerment, and a new identity for millions. Sixth, be consistent. He did not upload once a month. He created a rhythm, a presence, a movement. Seventh, track your progress. Measure everything. Growth is not a guess. It is a formula. If you are still watching, your subconscious already believes you can rise. The next step is to act. Hit like right now if you believe in your own transformation. Comment, I choose growth below to lock in that identity. Subscribe to this channel if you want more life-changing blueprints from real stories like this. And most importantly, listen to our How You Can playlist every day. Let it run while you work, rest, or build. Let the affirmations rewire your beliefs. Because like Pushkar Raj Thakur showed us, you do not need to be born lucky. You need to be born ready to grow. The next success story could be yours. Let us go create it. Let this moment be the pivot, the trigger, the transformation. Your time is now.